Following a tour of North Tripura District, Governor of Tripura Shri Indrasena Reddy Nallu arrived in Khowai District on Thursday as part of his ongoing state visit to review the implementation of central government schemes. The primary focus of his visit to Khowai was to inspect the international border areas of the district. Upon his arrival, the governor was accorded a guard of honor by the Khowai District Police at the premises of the Khowai District Magistrate Office, where he was also had refreshment. The primary focus of his visit to Khowai was to inspect the international border areas of the district. Governor Nallu visited the following border localities in Gaurnagar, Belchara, Bogaville and Khengravari. Speaking to the media during his visit, the governor elaborated on the purpose of his tours. As per the directive of the central government, I toured the North Tripura district and visited various villages there. The objective is to assess the ground-level implementation of the central government schemes. He further stated that under instructions from the Prime Minister Narendra Modi, he paid special attention to schemes related to education, health and self-help groups. The governor clarified that while he was visiting Khowai today to inspect the border areas, he would not be visiting any villages in the district on this trip.
प्राइम मिनिस्टर मोदी जी ने जो बॉर्डर विलेजेस को वाइब्रेंट विलेजेस के नाम देके उसको प्रायोरिटी दिया है। वो वाइब्रेंट विलेजेस में सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट का, स्टेट गवर्नमेंट का स्कीम्स सबको आ रहे नहीं आ रहे, ये देखने के लिए 3 दिन से नॉर्थ त्रिपुरा, उन्नकोटी, दलाई डिस्ट्रिक्ट देखते हुए आए हैं बॉर्डर विलेजेस। ये ज़िला का भी पहले एक गांव देख चुके हैं, बाकी के 8 गांव और एक बार प्रोग्राम रख के उधर जाने वाले हैं। वो गांव में जैसे स्टूडेंट्स का एजुकेशन है, सेल्फ हेल्प ग्रुप्स है, सेल्फ हेल्प ग्रुप्स के लिए क्या क्या सुविधा है, वैसे ही बाकी के फार्मर्स के बारे में जो भी सुविधा दे रहे वो मिल रहा नहीं मिल रहा है, एजुकेशन के बारे में, हेल्थ के बारे में, ये सब वैसे ही सब लोगों को घर आए तो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी है क्या, पानी आए क्या, गैस स्टोव है क्या, रेशन ठीक से आ रहे क्या, ये सब पूछने के लिए, मालूम करने के लिए घूमते हुए आ रहा हूँ। फिर ये ज़िला नेक्स्ट मंथ में आऊँगा और बाकी के जितने बचे हैं वो विलेजेस भी जाऊँगा।
He announced that he will return to Khowai District next month to tour its various rural areas and thoroughly examine the extent to which central government schemes have been effectively implemented for the benefit of the local population. Reported by Khowai, Chini, Khorang.